The saddest aspect of life right now is that science gathers knowledge faster than society gathers wisdom. Asimov was a Russian-born American writer and professor of biochemistry at Boston University, best known for his science fiction works and popular science books. He was one of the most famous and respected science fiction writers of all time. His most notable include the Foundation series, the I, Robot series, and the Galactic Empire series. For the Foundation series, he won the one-time Hugo Award for Best All-Time Series in 1966. Asimov was also known for his scientific writings, including popular science books on physics, chemistry, biology, and other subjects. He was also a close friend of Star Trek creator Gene Roddenberry and earned a screen credit as a special science consultant on Star Trek: The Motion Picture for advice he gave during production. His work is known for its scientific accuracy and attention to detail, as well as its exploration of complex themes such as the nature of humanity, the possibility of artificial intelligence, and the future of human civilization. Asimov's writing has had a significant impact on the science fiction genre and has been cited as an inspiration by many authors. Furthermore, he was the president of the American Humanist Association and was one of the signers of the Humanist Manifesto II, written in 1973. Isaac Asimov made a number of predictions in his science fiction writing, many of which have proven to be remarkably prescient. For example, in his Foundation series, Asimov predicted the development of a machine that could accurately translate spoken language in real time, similar to the real-world development of machine translation software. Asimov also predicted the development of advanced artificial intelligence in his Robot series, in which he imagined robots with self-awareness and the ability to learn and adapt to new situations. This prediction has proven to be particularly influential and has inspired many scientists and researchers to work on developing artificial intelligence and robotics technology. Asimov made predictions about space travel and exploration, including colonizing other planets and developing advanced spacecraft capable of interstellar travel. These predictions have yet to come to fruition, but many scientists and space enthusiasts believe it's only a matter of time before humanity begins to explore and colonize other parts of the galaxy. In his story, The Fun They Had, published in 1951, Asimov predicted the widespread use of personal computers for education. In his story, The Last Question, published in 1956, Asimov predicted the concept of a cloud, where all data would be stored remotely and accessible from anywhere. In his book I, Robot, published in 1950, Asimov introduced the concept of the 3 laws of robotics, which dictate the behavior of robots. He predicted that as robots become more advanced and integrated into society, there'd be a need for laws to govern their actions and protect humans. In his story, The Caves of Steel, published in 1954, Asimov predicted the use of teleconferencing and video calls long before these technologies were widely available. In his story, The Dead Past, published in 1956, Asimov predicted the development of a machine that could observe the past, similar to the concept of the time machine. Born in Russia in 1920, Asimov immigrated to the United States with his family when he was 3 years old. Asimov began reading science fiction at the age of 9 and began writing science fiction at a young age. His first story was published in 1939. Later, he was most closely associated with Astounding Science Fiction and its editor John W. Campbell, one of the fathers of modern science fiction, who became a mentor to Asimov. Throughout his career, he wrote or edited over 500 books and numerous short stories, covering a wide range of topics, including science, history, and literature. He partially used the pseudonym Paul French and curiously spoke French, German, and English, but not Russian. During World War II, Asimov spent 3 years working as a civilian chemist at the Philadelphia Navy Yard's Naval Air Experimental Station, living in the Walnut Hills section of West Philadelphia from 1942 to 1945, along with science fiction author Robert A. Heinlein. Asimov was also known for his fear of heights and flying, and joked in interviews that he was reluctant to travel or leave Manhattan. Asimov got HIV from a blood transfusion and passed away in 1992, but his work continues to be read and loved by fans all over the world. His writing has not only entertained and captivated readers, but also inspired countless people to explore their own interests in science and technology. Several entities have been named in his honor, including the asteroid 5020 Asimov, a crater on Mars, Honda's humanoid robot Asimo, and 4 literary awards.